friends, long weekend wishes. I hope everyone's having a great start to their weekend. I am certainly having a wonderful Sunday so far. So it's an absolute honor to be interacting with you today. So we've heard so much about the Carter Group, right? Well, I'm just going to jump right into the questions. So what we'd love to know is the evolution of the Carter Group, right? So it started with Coach Rentals, I believe. Now we're doing destination event planning, and your journey as well, economics, MBA, hospitality, wedding planning. We'd love to know more about the entire journey.
Thank you, ma'am. First of all, a warm gratitude, welcome to all, and thank you for the time you've given me here. Sir, आपकी बात का मुझे बात बड़ी अच्छी लगी आपकी that whenever you have a fight with your spouse, you will end up fighting with them in English. So I have a dedicative ahead of that. That is a rule, a thumb rule, which is rule number 1: boss is always right. And rule number 2, if boss is wrong, please see rule number 1. So that is very important in life. So I salute your thing that you should fight in English. My salutes to your thought process and evolving with time. Tremendous and very, very, you are an inspiration, a walking inspiration, I would say. And Anand Saab, आपने जो बोला about Gita, that is tremendous, that is amazing, and heartfelt thanks to you for acknowledging and giving the knowledge in the house for this. Last but not the least, sir, आपने जो भी समझाया about relationship management कि डब्बे अलग नहीं होने चाहिए, ये बहुत बड़ा पार्ट है about wedding management. तो इसको एक रहीम के दोहे में बोलना चाहूँगा मैं. रहीम जो थे बड़े अच्छे दानी थे और कृष्ण भक्त थे, तो उन्होंने बोला था कि रहीमन बड़न को देखकर लहू ना दीजिए डाल, जहाँ काम आए सुई क्या करे तलवार. सो जो काम सुई कर सकती है वो तलवार नहीं कर पाती. सो कमिंग टू योर क्वेश्चन, I would say life is about evolving all the time. Life is about change, and change is the only constant we have. So the principle which I have learned over the years is the term WTOH. What's the opportunity here? Whatever the world takes you to, life will give you, it will take you to places, but the idea is what's the opportunity here? And people say that you are lucky. I would say that it's not luck. It's your dedication combined with being prepared to grasp the opportunity, both transformed together, is called luck. देखिए, दो तरह के लोग होते हैं. एक वो होते हैं जो मोहब्बत से काम करते हैं, और एक वो होते हैं जो थॉट प्रोसेस के साथ लोगों को अपना बना के काम करते हैं. दोनों में फर्क है. दुर्योधन and Arjuna were both great administrators, but Arjuna is more glorified as a person because Arjuna fought with love and Duryodhana fought with ego. So when you fight with ego, you do not reach to places where you want to reach. And when you fight out of love, when you make your mission the vision of the world, that is when magic happens. वो कहते हैं ना, शून्य की अवस्था. तो जब आप मोहब्बत के साथ काम करते हो तो एक शून्य की अवस्था में आ जाते हो, and that is when magic happens in life. I would not recite too much about my history because I am already flamboyant with it, but no one is interested in history about what is me as a person. But in shortcut, I precisely remember 18th March 1996 when my boards ended, the 12th standard ended. I rushed to my office and I told my father that I want to do business with you now. And he gave me a warm hand and he said, Shabash beta, jo karna hai karo. And he gave me an open hand. So leadership का सबसे पहला उसूल जो है ना वो ये है, that जो आपका mentor हो उसको ये पता होना चाहिए कि सामने वाले को कितनी छूट है. So from a coach rental company where I remember my father had 3-4 Maruti vans and we used to rent them out to various people from our MI Road office. We started diversifying to holiday destinations in 2000. In 2010, my father sadly passed away. In 2012, I did my first event management. And in 2016, I did my first international event. And from that, with God's grace, there's no looking back. 80 different international cities till now and counting. My company holds a portfolio of making 2,700 people travel to Singapore in one single day from different destinations for Larsen & Toubro. And that's the highest count Singapore has received till date, and it holds till now. So that's the truth.
That's absolutely.
I would, sorry, I have
No worries.
जिंदगी के अंदर जो सबसे पहली चीज होती है, मैंने मेरी किताब में भी लिखी है, that you can lose everything in your life. You can lose money, you can lose health, you can lose relations. But एक सबसे बड़ा loss जो जिंदगी के अंदर होता है, वो होता है the loss of hope. Once you lose your hope, you finish forever. So एक लाइन लिखी है किताब के अंदर मैंने, which is, we will rebuild with a beautiful heart, a world where we lost everything but hope. So once we are able to catch up with that hope every day, we have that love in ourselves, that Arjuna in ourselves, who would take you to the next love of your life, to the next category of your life. हरिवंश राय बच्चन जी की एक कविता है, उसकी 4 पंक्तियां आपको सुनाऊंगा before I conclude this question of yours. मेरी favorite lines है वो ऐसे है कि it's about अड़े रहना अपने थॉट प्रोसेस के ऊपर। वो क्या है, दुनिया देखी है जिसने भी, पहले उसको इनकार मिला, अपमानों का संसार मिला और तानों का संसार मिला। हर सांस में अपनी विश्वास भरो और उन्मुक्त गगन में उड़े चलो, तुम विजय गर्जना के मालिक, अपने होश पर, अपने विश्वास पर खड़े रहो, अड़े रहो, अड़े रहो।
Absolutely amazing. I know you skipped over your personal evolution, but I do have a related question for that. So education, is a very important thing for everyone. And हमें सिखाया अभी especially ये जाता है कि जो भी आप सीख रहे हो वो सिर्फ education के through सीख रहे हो. So I guess I have a related question कि जो entrepreneurial skills हैं from your mentor of course. But were you able to kind of also pick up skills for wedding planning and all of that from your education? Or all practical experience?
एक बड़े अच्छे फनकार का नाम नहीं लूँगा मैं उनका, उन्होंने मुझे एक बात बोली थी। मैंने उनको बोला, साहब आप रोज 7 घंटे रियाज करते हो तो आप बोर नहीं होते क्या? तो उन्होंने बोला, कालरा साहब, अगर मैं 7 दिन रियाज नहीं करूं तो मुझे सुनने वाले मुझ में फर्क दिखा देंगे। अगर मैं 2 दिन रियाज नहीं करूं तो जो मेरी टीम है वो मुझ में फर्क बता देगी, और अगर मैं 1 दिन रियाज नहीं करूं तो मैं आपको फर्क बता दूंगा। सो स्किल सेट इज नॉट अबाउट लर्निंग वंस, स्किल सेट इज अबाउट इवॉल्विंग एवरी डे। रही बात एजुकेशन की, तो जो पहली एजुकेशन आपको मिलती है ना, वो कल्चर से मिलती है, विच इज़ योर फैमिली, विच इज़ योर फ्रेंड्स, विच इज़ योर पीपल whom you are around for the first span of your life, young life. Of course, education will take you places, education will give you very big opportunities. But I would say that education would play a smaller role rather than skill set, managing them and evolving them every day in your life. Like ma'am said, Ms. Bhandari said that she's practicing 6 hours a day. So that's a skill set which is discovered, but is being practiced every day. So that is about education. You don't learn every day. You don't learn once. You learn, उसके बाद आपको unlearn करना सीखना पड़ता है। जो अनलर्न करना सीख लेता है वो वापस से लर्न करता है, एंड दैट लर्निंग का बाय प्रोडक्ट होता है अर्निंग।
लर्निंग का बाय प्रोडक्ट होता है अर्निंग।
Learn to earn.
That is something very important. I think we should all hold on to. Learning का बाय प्रोडक्ट होता है अर्निंग। That's awesome. That's very awesome.
You can relate it with anything. आप अपनी नॉलेज कहीं भी जाओगे, कुछ भी करोगे, if you are learned about what will happen, आपका अगर procrastination कितना है, you would come out successful. For sure you would come out successful.
So, sir, you talk about there are SOPs in it. You have some self-made SOPs from what we understand, and we'd love to know about this.
देखिए, अपन लोग गोल बनाते हैं, एंड गलती कहाँ होती है? आई एम नॉट कमेंटिंग ऑन एनीवन, एवरीबॉडी इज लर्नड हियर, बट जो मैंने नॉर्मली देखा है वो ये देखा है दैट वंस वी मेक अ गोल, वी कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन द गोल. It's not the goal which is to be concentrated. It's the process on which we need to concentrate. जब आप process पे concentrate करोगे, road map पे concentrate करोगे, तब आप goal पे पहुंचोगे. Let me make it simpler for you. आपको अगर स्विट्जरलैंड घूमने जाना है, so would you reach Switzerland or would you find out an airline which is traveling to Switzerland? Or would you grab out your passport, see the validity? You would apply for a visa, you would apply for an insurance, you would plan a hotel to stay in, you would plan a sightseeing with the help of a lifestyle holiday planner. ये सब देखोगे या फाइनली आप सपनों के अंदर गूगल अर्थ से स्विट्जरलैंड पहुंच जाओगे? So you cannot be goal oriented. You have to be process oriented in your life. सर एडमंड हिलरी ने एक बात बड़ी अच्छी बोली थी. He failed climbing the Mount Everest, and when he came down after failing down the attempt, he stood at the foothills of the hill and he said, I will come back to conquer you, because as a human being I can evolve, but as a mountain you will be steady as well. And उसके बाद उन्होंने conquer किया उसको. That's well written in the history. So coming to my SOPs, these are some element sheets which I've really worked upon very hard. Not me, my team has really worked upon very hard. And this skill set is being practiced every day. 480 अलग element sheet की work list है हमारे पास to make a picture perfect event. मैं आपको एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ. मेरे पास जब मेरे गेस्ट आते हैं talking about a wedding, एक क्लाइंट ने 200 गेस्ट को बुलाया एंड 200 गेस्ट के लिए एक होटल बुक कराया, एंड होटल के अंदर जैसे सर बता रहे थे कि रिलेशनशिप के अंदर बैग्स या बॉक्सेस सब एक रंग के होने चाहिए. हम लोगों ने उस लेवल तक काम करा हुआ है कि जब हॉस्पिटैलिटी हम लोग मैनेज करते हैं तो एक क्लाइंट का जो गेस्ट है, फैमिली मेंबर है, जब वो आने वाला है वेडिंग के लिए, तो उसकी डेली की मेडिसिन हमारे को पता होती है. ये इसको ब्लड प्रेशर है, इसको डायबिटीज है, ये इस फूड से एलर्जिक है. दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ डेप्थ वी हैव गॉट इनटू. सो दिस इज एक्चुअली अ चेकलिस्ट व्हिच इज रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक अ पिक्चर परफेक्ट वेडिंग. क्योंकि शादी एक एहसास होता है. शादी चाहे अंबानी इसके घर में हो, शादी चाहे हमारे घर में हो, लेकिन शादी हर एक बाप का सपना होता है अपनी बेटी को एक लक्ष्मी की तरह विदा करने का. चाहे वो बड़ी हो छोटी हो, शादी कोई भी बड़ी छोटी नहीं होती. शादी एक एहसास होता है, एक दिल का एहसास होता है. That's the checklist.
That's very true. शादी एक एहसास है. सर आपने अभी बताया 80+ cities, right? So हर सिटी के अलग क्लाइंट्स, right? क्लाइंट की माइंडसेट में आपको डिफरेंस दिखाई देता है सिटी टू सिटी या कंट्री टू कंट्री?
हाँ, यू नीड टू बी अ रोमन इन रोम बॉस. वेरी ट्रू. मैं सही बता रहा हूँ आपको. यू कैनॉट बी एन इंडियन इन चाइना. चाइनीज आर वेरी लेट बैक पीपल. वो 8 बजे का आपको टाइम देंगे, वो 9:30 बजे तक खुद ही नहीं आएंगे. वेरी ट्रू. आप अमेरिका चले जाओ, अमेरिका के अंदर अगर आपको 8 बजे का टाइम दिए तो 7:55 द पार्टी विल ओपन द गेट्स, 8 o'clock पार्टी विल ओपन. So there's a cultural difference in everything, but the thumb rule about every individual 700 करोड़ लोगों का एक thumb rule है कि इवेंट के टाइम पे लड़ाई हो, इवेंट के पहले लड़ाई हो, negotiations हो, confusions हो, whatever it is, but at the time of the event it has to be picture perfect. That's a thumb rule. एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ आपको. I was in Chicago doing an event. We had a parallel event in Barcelona. So about 240 personnel from an industry were to fly from Bombay to Barcelona, and they were to fly via Brussels क्योंकि Bombay Barcelona direct flight नहीं है. So this flight of an airline starting from Bombay to Brussels gets delayed by 7 hours because एक Sri Lankan national ने, it's on the net also, if you go to Google and see it, वो आपको मिल जाएगा. So एक Sri Lankan national ने, not my guest, but a different Sri Lankan national, he locked himself inside that Boeing aircraft. और वो flight 7 घंटे डिले हो गई. And to your surprise, Brussels से बार्सिलोना की जो flight थी, that was not delayed. And there were 2 different flight connections. It was not one single PNR. My main client was in Calcutta because उसके घर में एक शादी थी. He was not reachable. I was on a different time zone, which was 12 hours behind India. And India में my team was managing the Barcelona event. A flight which flies 7 hours delay from Bombay will definitely miss a connection from Brussels. Now what we did, we tried reaching the client who was in Calcutta, but he was not reachable. 240 नई टिकटें ब्रसल्स से बार्सिलोना की हमने बिना पूछे क्लाइंट से लगा दी. ना मुझसे पूछा ना मेरे क्लाइंट से पूछा. टिकटिंग सेक्शन ने अपने आप बना दी उसको. So that's a very big risk which was taken on the client's behalf. But after the event was over, we were called into that corporate. I was told to meet the owner of the company, and he thanked me personally for taking care of the guests. So these are the SOPs. This is the way you have to take. The thumb rule is that the customer delight is very important.
That's a major crisis. If we just think about the logistics of, when we're traveling, we think about booking like one single trip, managing
240, and that also all gynecologists.
Oh my God. Okay then.
We have one here.
We have one. Yes. Oh, wow. Since we're talking about the team, an essential factor for any success is actually having the right team. So when you meet an organizer, right? आपको ऐसी कौन सी स्किल होती है उनको देख के लगता है कि this event is gonna be good, एक को कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है, या फिर consequently what is the skill that kind of you see shine through that makes you think कि maybe not so much?
देखिए, इसको मैं एक दूसरे तरीके से आंसर करना चाहूँगा. एक है ना बड़ी अच्छी किताब है जिसका नाम है द पावर ऑफ सेइंग द पॉजिटिव नो. उसको पढ़िएगा आप सब. इट्स अ मस्ट रीड बुक. इट इज अ गेम चेंजर. आई बिलीव 4 पोर्शंस होते हैं एग्जीक्यूशन के. A very big author has written this in his book, 4 disciplines of execution. पहला होता है that you find a goal, you make a goal. दूसरा होता है taking care of lead measures and not the lag measures. With lead measures, I mean to say is that मैंने मेरी टीम को ये बोला that आपको ये काम करना है and you have a deadline of doing it. Now I cannot sit back and wait for that deadline to come only to understand that my team failed doing it. There is a possibility that the team would be able to do that task, but there is also a possibility that the team would not be able to do it. So if there is a regular take around of that event, तो वो sparks पे बढ़ जाएगा एक goal, and that is called lead measure. Then comes scoreboard, then comes accountability. So when you see a skill in a customer or a team, you need to understand कि इसका जो skill set है वो एक अलग चीज़ है, उसका जो कल्चर सेट है वो एक अलग चीज़ है. So when the culture is wrong, when the approach is wrong, when the thought process is wrong, you need to learn to say no to them. Be it your team member or be it your client. I don't say that the client is wrong. I don't say that the person who is in the team is wrong. But you are not magnetizing at the same level. So you would not be able to give them a delight solution. So better say a no at the very first hour. तो आपका जो प्रोसेस रहेगा, आपका जो डिलीवरी का परसेंटेज रहेगा ऑफ डिलाइट टू अ कस्टमर इज 100%. So you need to say no at the very first beginning.
So basically, being upfront and honest.
Yeah, very,
transparent
very
about
important.
it. Right.
You should be humble at all times, but you should also be humbly shrewd at all times.
There's so much new stuff that we're all picking up. Humbly shrewd.
Yeah. You need to be humbly shrewd. Hire fast and fire fast.
Another one that I'm so glad this is being recorded. We're going to kind of go through it again and definitely jot these down.
Lot of points to be learned.
Yeah, exactly. So you had just mentioned the Ambani wedding. Since हम उस पे बात कर रहे हैं और अभी पिछले कुछ महीनों से हम सुने ही जा रहे हैं अंबानी wedding के बारे में. So had you been in part of the team that's planning it? How would you have approached this event?
बड़े सपने दिखाए आपने. So the first thing which I would have done it, एक बड़ा अच्छा term है, which is called intensifying your intention. How badly do you need it? So the first thing which an event needs to be done is showing the intent of doing it.
Okay.
How prepared you are. So prepared तब नहीं होंगे जब अंबानी साहब आपको बोलेंगे चलो मैं अपॉर्चुनिटी देता हूँ. Prepared तब होंगे जब आपने प्रोसेस अपने मल्टीप्लाइज कर लिया. चाहे फिर उसके बाद चाहे एक दोस्त की शादी हो या अंबानी साहब की शादी हो, the procedures are same.
Fair point. This is a very interesting point that if your processes are streamlined, essentially.
SOPs होने चाहिए.
हाँ.
As I told you, SOPs होने चाहिए. That's
The client
very
is a
important.
client. That's great. So you mentioned you've also authored a book,
Yes.
and can you tell us a little bit more about the book, Oman Island?
So that subject is personally very close to me. Is that about the timing?
Yes.
So is that
We're
time?
okay. We still have time.
Time is something which triggers me.
We're okay. We still have time. Yeah.
So, Omana, the Complete Woman is the name of the book. So, that book is about how a woman with her existence can change the world around her. और ये जो सोच आई थी किताब लिखने की मेरे को, वो आई थी लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे. एंड इसका रीज़न आपको बताता हूँ दैट आई वॉज डूइंग अ वॉलंटरी ड्यूटी ऑफ सर्विंग पुलिस पर्सनल ऑन द रोड हू वर गिविंग ड्यूटीज. तो मेरी गाड़ी में हरदम फ्रूटीज एंड ग्लूकॉन डी, सम ईटेबल सब कुछ रहता था. आई वॉज kept on distributing that during the COVID times. In that, I also used to go to the Sachivalaya, I also used to go to the hospital for voluntary duties. मेरे घर पे जब हाउस हेल्प नहीं होती थी, डोमेस्टिक हेल्प नहीं होती थी, so we used to miss that maid didi who used to come to home and do the everyday chores and everything. Going to the hospital, you see a lot of nurses, some lady doctors. In Sachivalaya, you see some clerical of people, out of which there were some ladies. कोई भी एक फ्रेम ऐसा नहीं था जिसमें एक महिला के बिना वो फ्रेम पूरा होता. चाहे वो घर का सामान हो, चाहे वो घर हो, चाहे आपका ऑफिस हो. आज मेरे खुद के ऑफिस के अंदर the first acquaintance of my office is a lady who takes care and greets the guest inside to get him or get the guest to our chambers. कोई भी एक ऐसा फ्रेम नहीं है जो एक महिला के बिना पूरा होगा. सो दैट वाज द होल आइडिया. इस किताब के अंदर ओमाना इज द मेन कैरेक्टर हु इज अ लेडी विद अ लॉट ऑफ a great aura, a lady with a lot of principles who would not bend down to time. And there's another man who is very humble and he is totally in admiration and in love with Umana. तो उमाना एक एहसास है, इसको मैं किताब को इसी तरह से बोलता हूँ कि उमाना एक एहसास है रुद्र की नजरों से नारित्व को प्रणाम, सलाम और प्यार करने का. That's about उमाना. उमाना एक एहसास है रुद्रा की नजर से नारित्व को सलाम करने का, प्रणाम करने का और उससे मोहब्बत करने का. That's